What's up, everybody? Big Cobb Diesel coming at you again, and today is a EDC video. So the items pictured are what I'm using for the detail that I'm on right now. And because the client wants plainclothes concealed, I don't have the ability to wear a duty belt or a tactical carrier to hold all this gear. So I have my firearm and an outside the waistband Kydex Holster high rise, and then all the rest of my gear is spread out in the pants that I'm wearing, which are 511 Apex pants. Technically they are cargo pants, but the way the pockets are designed allows you to put things in them that don't change the silhouette of the pant. You'll be able to tell that there's pockets by the seams and zipper pulls, but again, the pockets don't bulge out like they would in a traditional pair of cargo pants. And then here I am putting on my cover garment, which is a short sleeve shirt that utilizes snaps instead of buttons. Nothing wrong with buttons, but the snaps are a lot easier. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe.